Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Chef Mickey is probably one of the most iconic and beloved dining experiences at Walt Disney World, offering a unique opportunity to dine with some of the most famous characters in the Disney universe, including Mickey Mouse himself, Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto, all while enjoying a delicious buffet-style meal in a vibrant and fun-filled atmosphere that is sure to delight both children and adults alike, making it a memorable part of any Disney vacation. Number 5. Spring Chef Heavy Duty Ice Cream Scoop. Introducing the ultimate ice cream scoop, built for durability with no breakable parts. It's also dishwasher safe and versatile for scooping melons or filling peppers. Achieve beautiful, perfectly portioned scoops every time. It cuts smoothly through even hard ice cream, making dessert presentation a breeze. This unique tool combines a scoop and spade, designed to tackle frozen desserts with ease. Its curved shape creates perfect curls, while the edges reach every last bit. Experience effortless scooping as it glides through even the hardest frozen treats. Enjoy your ice cream with minimal effort, from carton to bowl. Say goodbye to struggling with difficult scoops. Its comfortable, soft grip handle absorbs pressure and prevents freezing, making scooping easy and enjoyable. This scoop features a simple yet ergonomic design that's easy to clean. Enjoy a comfortable and efficient scooping experience with this essential kitchen tool. What we like. This ice cream scoop is built to last with its heavy-duty, no-gimmick design. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you're tired of flimsy scoops that break or bend, and you want a tool that can handle even the hardest frozen desserts with ease, this is the one for you. Its ergonomic soft grip ensures comfort during use, making it ideal for anyone who enjoys a lot of ice cream. What people say. It is ergonomic, the handle is something that feels like silicone and is easy to hold, the scoop is a perfect size and works beautifully. This one is weighted in such a perfect way and it scoops the ice cream out perfectly. It fits nicely in your hand and it's an awesome shape. It just works great. The heavy-duty metal cuts through hard ice cream smoothly, and the handle feels comfortable and secure even during firm scooping. It forms clean, round scoops and reaches container corners easily, and cleanup is simple since it's dishwasher safe. Number 4. Franco Disney Mickey Mouse Bath Rug. Bring the magic of Disney to your child's bathroom with this fun Mickey Mouse rug. It's a delightful addition that will surely bring smiles. Designed with safety in mind, its non-slip backing ensures it stays put. This provides peace of mind, especially in wet areas, for children of all ages. Step onto pure comfort. The plush microfiber is incredibly soft and absorbs water quickly. It helps keep your bathroom floor dry and clean after every use. Cleaning is a breeze as it's completely machine washable. The vibrant colors are designed to last, resisting fading even after many washes. Measuring 20 by 30 inches, this mat is perfectly sized for most bathrooms. It offers great coverage wherever you need it most. What we like. Bring the magic of Disney into your bathroom with this adorable Mickey Mouse bath rug. It features a non-slip backing for safety and is made from super soft microfiber to absorb water quickly. If you have a child who loves Mickey Mouse, or you're looking for a fun and safe addition to your bathroom, this rug is a perfect choice. It's also machine washable for easy care. What people say. This little rug is so very soft and appears to be well made. It'll be perfect for little feet. It might even be a super soft play mat. Thick and plush. Nice color. Great accent piece to the room. Very soft and the perfect size for our camper bathroom. Number 3. Enesco Disney Ceramics Chef Mickey Mouse Cookie Jar. Bring a touch of Disney magic to your kitchen with this charming cookie jar. It's a delightful way to store your favorite treats. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted and hand-painted by skilled ceramic artists. This ensures a unique and high-quality finish for your decor. Keep your cookies and snacks perfectly fresh with the specially designed lid. It features a rubber seal to lock in flavor and prevent air from getting in. This is an officially licensed Disney collectible, bringing beloved characters into your home. It's a wonderful addition for any Disney enthusiast. Proudly designed in the USA, this item is crafted with attention to detail. It's a piece that combines artistry with functionality. Standing at an impressive 11 inches tall, it offers ample space for all your baking creations. It's both a practical storage solution and a decorative statement piece. What we like. This Chef Mickey cookie jar is a charming piece of officially licensed Disney decor. It's handcrafted and hand-painted by ceramic artists, and features an airtight rubber seal to keep your treats fresh. If you're a Disney collector, a fan of Chef Mickey, or looking for a unique and functional way to store your cookies, this jar is an excellent choice. It's a delightful blend of practicality and Disney magic. What people say. It is really great quality. Fits right in with a black, red, white kitchen, and any Disney theme. Chef Mickey is a great addition to my kitchen. He makes me smile every time I look at him. Incredible to see him to hold fruit snacks and individual packs of crackers and cookies for my grandkids. He holds fruit snack well. Really cute and good quality. I appreciate that they wrapped and boxed it nicely, making sure it would come in one piece. Number 2. Enesco Jim Shore Disney Traditions Chef Mickey Mouse Figurine. Introducing a delightful figurine from the Jim Shore Disney Traditions collection. This piece, titled Bon Appetit, brings a touch of culinary magic to your decor. Experience the unique folk art charm of Jim Shore, masterfully blended with beloved Disney characters. Each piece is a testament to his distinctive artistic vision. Meticulously crafted from high-quality resin, this figurine is built to last. Its durable material ensures it will be a cherished item for years to come. Skilled artisans have brought this piece to life with intricate, hand-painted details. Every brushstroke adds to its charm and character. Measuring 6.25 inches in height, this charming figurine is perfectly sized for display on shelves, mantels, or tabletops. Its dimensions make it a delightful accent piece. This special edition features the one and only Chef Mickey Mouse, ready to add a dash of Disney magic to your home. It's a must-have for any Disney enthusiast. What we like. This figurine combines Jim Shore's unique folk art style with the beloved character of Chef Mickey. Each piece is handcrafted from high-quality resin and intricately hand-painted by skilled artisans. If you are a collector of Jim Shore's Disney traditions or a fan of Chef Mickey, this figurine is a must-have. It's perfect for adding a touch of whimsical artistry to your collection or as a special gift. What people say. High quality and very sturdy. Perfect size. He fits right in with my other black and white checked items in my kitchen. The material is very sturdy, so I'm not worried about accidentally knocking it over. It was a bit smaller than I expected, but that's on me for not checking the measurements. Overall, it's really well made and adds a fun Disney touch to my space. She sent me a picture of her holding it and the size and appearance shows it to be of good quality. She was quite happy. Number 1. Cooking with Mickey and the Disney Chefs. Get ready for a magical culinary adventure. Join beloved Disney characters and talented chefs in the kitchen. Discover a world of delicious recipes designed for home cooks of all levels. You'll find something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe is presented with clear, step-by-step instructions. It's never been easier to create amazing meals. Make cooking a fun activity for the whole family. Create lasting memories while preparing tasty dishes together. Bring the enchanting taste of Disney into your home. Experience the joy of cooking with your favorite characters. So, gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. Prepare to be inspired by these delightful Disney-themed dishes. What we like. This product offers a delightful culinary journey with Mickey and the Disney chefs. It's perfect for families looking to bond over cooking and trying new recipes together. If you enjoy Disney characters and want to add some fun and magic to your kitchen adventures, this is a great choice. It encourages creativity and makes meal preparation an enjoyable experience for everyone. What people say. She was so excited, because there were recipes for food that her and her husband ate on their honeymoon. The recipes are easy to follow. What a charming book for any Disney lover. The New England pot roast on page 5. I had this at Magic Kingdom and it was so tender and delicious. I have made it 2 more times in the past month. The special recipes we enjoyed at the park sparks the table conversation. Everyone starts talking about the fun we enjoyed on our vacations to Disneyland Disney World. It's great and the recipes are easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.